Mine's doing DIY slime. Death Twinkle 55.
Look at our DIY slime that we made.
Now I made.
No, I made my own.
No, I told you the recipe.
Then I
And
mixed it.
look. No stick. No stick. No stick. On couch. No stick. No stick.
No stick?
No stick.
You're just stupid, Matthew.
Hey, it's May's turn.
Well, she made his so good.
I dare you to throw it.
But ours is better,
I
right?
dare you to throw it. He just ruined his slime.
Hello.
Robert. Don't make the slime mix. This is my slime and that's your slime batch.
All right.
My slime batch.
Ours is so cool. Oh,
Your slime
yes.
Get your foot off your slime, boy.
It's my
But I just wanted to say, your slime sucks. Ours is nice.